Hey everybody, my name's BEERGR. Happy 2023. I've got a really cool thing that I've been working on with my good buddies at Gordon's Butcher and Market, the BEERGR Box. What the heck is a BEERGR Box? The BEERGR Box is a monthly thing. It's not a subscription box, so you're not obligated to buy the box every single month. Say you don't like salmon, you can skip that one, no big deal. Everything you need to make the meal, the main entree and the side dish will be included in the box. Everything will come straight from Gordon's Butcher and Market. Produce, the buns, the steaks, the burgers, the seasonings. Oh yes, how could I forget? You're not only just going to get the amount of seasoning that you need to make the meal with me or by yourself, you're going to get the entire bottle of every seasoning we use, and we will use a different Gordon seasoning or sauce in every single recipe. So you can experience the wide range of all the different seasonings and sauces that they have. And let me tell you, there are a ton and they are wonderful. The very first one's gonna be this blackened seasoning. I use it on everything. I use it on chicken. I'm gonna use it on burgers in the very first box. Yes, we're making blackened smash burgers, not just a smash burger, blackened smash burgers. Now, I know what you're thinking. This isn't just a regular burger or a regular smash burger. This is my own custom blend. I have designed this burger blend so that it's the perfect fat to protein ratio. It's gonna crisp up on the bottom like you've never seen, and it's going to taste incredible. It's gonna be silky, it's gonna be beefy, it's going to be salty, it's going to be delicious. Just go to gordonsmarket.com, click in the middle where it says BEERGR Box. If you hover over, you see my giant face eating a burger. That's like this. You'll see there are two options. There's one live stream option and one not live stream option. The live stream option is limited to the first 50 people. So if you want to do the live stream, don't wait. Jump over to gordonsmarket.com, click on the BEERGR Box and select the live streaming option. So we're gonna cook together. How fun is that? You're gonna be able to interact with me while I'm cooking. As I'm giving instructions, you can ask questions. I can ask you questions. We can meet, we can have fun, we can cook and eat together. It's gonna be a blast. You can either pick live stream or not. And then you just open the box, follow the directions, cook away, and enjoy the recipes that I've put together for you. Every other month is going to be a featured chef with the BEERGR Box, and they're going to help me design the menu for that featured chef BEERGR Box. And you're going to not only cook their recipe, you're going to cook with them live. How fun does that sound? So every other month, there's going to be a featured chef and you're gonna cook live with a real chef. This is not a subscription box. Every box will be a different price based on what the menu is that time, just like a menu at a restaurant. I'm excited to take this new journey with you in 2023. A lot of fun things are happening and this is just one of them. So head to gordonsmarket.com, select the BEERGR Box option and go sign up to get the very first BEERGR Box. You're not gonna wanna miss it. We're gonna learn a lot of things together and we're gonna cook a ton of great food and we're just gonna have a ton of fun. I appreciate you. See you next time.